Hello to all of our YouTube friends and subscribers. So today we're bringing you another beautiful Phoenix area classic Cadillac convertible in what we think is one of the most breathtaking color combinations to ever grace one of these stunning luxury automobiles from General Motors. This week we'll take a close look at a 1963 Eldorado Baritz model that is in the loving care of its current owner Louis Dellera and will be for many years to come. Lou graciously opened his garage to us, allowing us to bring you this beauty and two others, which you'll see in the coming weeks. All his cars are driven regularly and enjoyed to their fullest potential. This car is no trailer queen, although it certainly could look the part. So sit back and enjoy this week's video, and be sure to leave a comment. Now, let's go for a ride.
Hi, my name is Louis Dellera, and I own a 1963 Cadillac Eldorado, one of 1,825 made. I bought this car in 2008, January, from a guy whose father bought the car brand new. His father apparently passed away and was inherited by his son. And when I saw the car was in primer and orange. The gentleman, his name was Bear. He called himself Bear. And he wanted to restore the car and thought he was painting the car red, but instead it was really orange. And I thought, thank God I rescued this car in time. The car was originally silver with a black top and red interior. So I didn't have the heart to put yet one more silver car on the road. So I thought I would choose a different color, and I went to the color chart for 1963 Cadillac and chose royal maroon with the red interior is a stunning match. So I took the car all apart. It was a frame-on restoration. The underside of the car is very nice. Absolutely zero rust in the car anywhere. It was a California car originally from, I believe, Oxnard, California. And I purchased the car in Las Vegas where the son of the original owner lived, and trailered it to Phoenix. The interior was already done professionally by Bear, who owned the car, and it was a perfect job for the interior. The carpeting is original. The car has originally 79,000 miles on it, or maybe 80. I've put about 5,000 miles on it since 2008, and that includes 2 trips to Palm Springs, California. Runs and drives like new. And it even has the original fan belts on it. My cars, I'm quite a stickler about originality. I'm a dying breed because most people don't care, and that's okay. But I just beat to a different drum, that's all. The car is got a 390 engine in it with 325 horsepower. Everything works, including the air conditioning, blows ice cold. And I think that's about it.
Thanks, Lou, for spending all the time with us needed to photograph your impressive Cadillac collection. We're sure our viewers also appreciate the love and dedication you obviously invest in your cars. This 63 is particularly eye-catching and is certainly impressive when you see it on the road or just sitting still. At that time, Cadillac truly was the standard of the world. We hope all of you, our subscribers and viewers, feel the same. Let us know in the comments what you think of this sweet caddy. Be sure to like this video and share it with other people who will enjoy seeing it as well. So next week, we'll be bringing you something completely different than Lou's Cadillac. It's an awesome 1973 Mazda RX-2 that has been completely restored and is often driven to shows and events all around the Phoenix metro area and beyond. People love this car because many of them have some connection to similar vehicles in their past. You won't want to miss this one. See you then, and remember, please be careful out there.